templates that we've got for talking about SAM, and we have a little show stats piece. This, if you're sending it through SendGrid, it will show you who opened it, who clicked on it, whatever. We've added a new piece here for versioning. So if this has happened to us and we've been doing it all along, we just didn't have a way for you to actually get to it. Let's say you go in and you edit a template and you realize later, oh, I screwed up. I removed some stuff, or I changed some stuff on that template I didn't want to change. I saved it and now it's gone. Well, we now are showing the versioning piece. We were doing it, we just weren't showing it. Where if you make a change to a template, we go into the versions, you can now access those past versions, and you can see what that particular version is, in which case you can also see whether it has an SMS message tied to it or an email message to it. You can restore that particular version of the thing, and it'll create a new version in the list and make it the active version for you. The other thing is if any of the versions have languages where your translations, so we've got an English version, a Spanish version, a French version, or whatever, you can see each of the different versions as well in here as well. So it just makes it easy to be able to see what you've got. Technically, any of the ones that we've got in here that have languages, they'll show in here as well, like right here. Here's one where we've got both a English version and we've also got a Spanish version. So you can very easily see which one. Whenever the email goes out, it will use the Spanish version one if the person has the language preference of Spanish, and it'll send the English version if their preference is English. It defaults to English, so if it's not specified, it'll go English.
So that one is already available?
Yes. Both an English version. So to get that right there, if we edit this particular message here, so it'll bring it up and show you. We've got this translations section right here. So let's say right now I've got both an English version and a Spanish version. Let's say I want to create a new translation, and maybe I want to do it in pirate. You'll say, what's pirate? Arr. So you can go in there, make a funny type thing, but it will go through and it'll create a version of whatever the context is. And once you save it, then it saves that translation into the system. And then from that point forward, it will show that is an option.
Nice.
So this is a great way to say, well, I no longer have to have my Spanish workflow and my English workflow of the same thing. I create one message. It's the same message. It's the same piece. It's just got different text that's getting sent at whatever point. Once you get that set up, then it will go through that process and then be available. Once you save it, I'm not going to save that one. Then you'll be able to see both versions, or however many versions it'll span out. So if you've got multiple versions, it'll keep going out.